हेलो एवरीवन, आज आप लोगों को मैं डिटर्मिनर पढ़ाऊंगा। तो इंट्रोडक्शन। डिटर्मिनर प्लस नाउन। डिटर्मिनर आर यूज टू बिफोर ए नाउन टू डिटरमाइन ए नाउन। एडजेक्टिव एड एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल्स टू द मीनिंग ऑफ नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन। जैसे आई नो योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, तो फ्रेंड नाउन है, बेस्ट एडजेक्टिव है और योर डिटर्मिनर है। प्रोनाउन वर्सेस डिटर्मिनर। दिस बुक हैज़ बीन रेडी बाय मी। दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट चेयर। तो यहाँ पर दिस क्या है, डिटर्मिनर, और बुक क्या है, नाउन। ओके। यूज ऑफ ईच। ऑल द बॉयज़ हैव कम। ईच बॉय हैज़ कम। वन बॉय हैज़ कम। ओके। अब ईच प्लस सिंगुलर नाउन प्लस सिंगुलर भर प्लस सिंगुलर पोजीशन। ईच प्लस सिंगुलर भर प्लस सिंगुलर पोजीशन। ईच बॉय इज डूइंग हिज वर्क। ईच इज रेडी टू हेल्प यू। Each of the boys is doing his work. Okay. Each of them is doing his her its work. Each of us is doing his her or its work. Each of you plus singular noun plus singular possession. Each of you doing your work. Every boy is doing his work. Okay. Every boy is doing his work. फिर आ जाता है आपका यहाँ पर एवरी, एवरीबॉडी, एवरीवन, एवरीवन, एवरीथिंग, एवरी ऑन ऑफ थिंग्स, पीपल और एनिमल्स। एवरी चेयर हैज़ बीन पेंटेड, एवरीथिंग हैज़ बीन सोल्ड टू देम, एवरीबॉडी इज़ वेटिंग फॉर यू इन द रूम, एवरीवन इज़ रेडी टू हेल्प, everyone is ready to go there, every one of the boys is waiting for you, every one of us should help the poor boy, each of us should go there. Okay. Each one of us should go there. Each of four students have come. Each boy and every girl is doing her work. Every student and every teacher is doing his her its work. Either boy is cleaning his room. Okay. Then either of the two chairs has been painted. Either player has been selected. Either player has been selected. Neither boy is doing his work. Neither of the girls is cleaning her room. अच्छा, फिर आ जाता है either और neither और। Either he or I am going to buy some books. Okay. Both, दो में से दोनों। Both the players have done their work. Both of the girls have come to meet you. Both he and she have done their work. Okay. Both the player are coming. Neither player is coming. अब आता है आपका both he and she are coming. All the girls have done their work. All the gold has been sold. All is well. All are well. All that glitters is not gold. All children like story. All the children will play with me. All of us, we all of you, you all of them, they all of us should go there. We all should go there. Many books have been read by him. Many of the chairs have been painted by him. Many students are coming. ये many students are coming here. Many students are coming here. ओके। मच वर्क हैज़ बीन डन बाई दैम। आई क्या फिर बोलता है, आई हैव मच गोल्ड फॉर यू। मच ऑफ द वाटर वाज वेस्टेड। ओके। मच ऑफ द एप्पल वाज ईटन बाय हिम। मैनी ऑफ द बॉयज वेयर रनिंग देयर। आई हैव सीन मच ऑफ द सिटी। मच ऑफ द बुक टेल्स अबाउट द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ इंडिया। आई हैव रीड मैनी ऑफ द बुक्स। ओके। नो बॉय इज रेडी टू हेल्प यू। नो वन was there to help you. Nobody, nothing has been taught by him. I have nothing to eat. None was were ready to help you. No student will go there. None of the boys was were there. None of them will go there. Okay, I have few books. I have a few books. I can't give you any book because I have few books. You can take any books because I have a few books. As I am new in the city, I have few friends. Most people know Premchandra, but few people know his real name. Do not trust anybody because few people trustworthy. A few plus noun. Okay, I have a few books for you. I have the few books that my father bought yesterday. Very few, very few students come yesterday. Only a few students were ready to go there. Use of little. Okay, don't worry, I have a little milk for the child. I have the little milk the money I have the little money that my father gave me. I have little money that is not enough for me. Some boys have come to meet you. Some of the students have done their work. Okay, some gold has been sold to her. Some of the water was wasted. Someday I will have my son be a doctor. We have been living here for some days. Okay, I do not have any book or book. Do you have any of the boys? Any gold was not sold to them. Okay, I can't do anything for you. You can take some books from this room. You can take any books from this room. There, something is wrong. I think someone is there. Do you have any books? I have some books for you. Please give me some money. They have some money for you. I have some doubts for my teacher. Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Did you make any mistakes there? I can't do this work without any mistake. Do you know anybody there? He did not make any mistake there. He does not want to eat anything. He did not kill any animal. Do you have any sugar? They never go anywhere. Please give me some sugar. Would you like to have some sweet? Please give me some money. Can I take some sweet? Shall we go? Shall we have some rest? This that this. अच्छा दिस का दिस फिर स्पीकर के सामने दैट का दो सामने या दूर होना. Those were not my friends. Okay, those books were sold to him. This book has been read by her. Okay, नरेशन में दिस का दैट होता है, दिस का दोज होता है. He said to her they have painted this room. He told her that they had painted that room. Those who are standing there are requested to come here. This that. Okay, Hindi and English are easy language. This has 26 letter and that has 52 letters. Okay, comparison concept. फिर बोलते हो the climate Mumbai is better than that of Delhi. The people of India are richer than those of Pakistan. The books of that shop are so good as those in that shop. Okay, तो ये था आपका पूरा डिटर्मिनर. आप लोगों को मैंने अपने भाषा में पढ़ाया, आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया होगा मैं आशा करता हूँ. तब पर मेरे को मज़ा आया पढ़ाने में.